You've got your main business, you've just started a side hustle, and you already have an idea for another business, and now you have the same question I see all over the place. Can I use the same Xero subscription for multiple businesses? Well, the answer is, it depends. Nobody likes to pay for things they don't need, like multiple software accounts, so today I'm going to tell you when you can use the same Xero subscription for different businesses and when you can't. So let's start with when you can. If your multiple businesses are actually just different brands, departments, or income streams operating under the same legal umbrella, you should be able to use the same Xero account to do the bookkeeping for all of them. For example, if you run two totally different consulting businesses under different brands from the same legal entity, such as a limited company or a trust, you should be able to use the same Xero account for both businesses. What you need to do in this scenario is to use two of Xero's features to separate the businesses inside your Xero account. The first feature is called tracking categories. You can set up one category for each brand and allocate your invoices, bills, and other transactions to these categories. That way, when you run your reports, such as the profit and loss report or balance sheet, you can run separate reports for each brand. This helps you track the performance of each brand separately without needing two Xero subscriptions. You can also do this for other types of businesses. For example, your main business might be a consulting business where you send invoices to your clients, and your other business might be an Etsy store where you sell templates. You can use the same Xero subscription for these businesses as long as they operate under the same legal entity. All you need to do is set up tracking categories for each business and tag each transaction in your accounts with the appropriate category. The other feature you can take advantage of in Xero is the ability to have different branding on your invoices. For example, if you run two different consulting businesses from the same limited company, you could create one invoice template for one business and a completely different invoice template for the other. This ensures that each business's invoices are branded the right way with their own logo, contact details, and payment terms. So in a nutshell, as long as each business, department, or income stream belongs to the same legal entity, you can usually do the bookkeeping together in the same Xero subscription. I've actually partnered with Xero for this video, and if you don't have Xero yet and you want to sign up and use the features available to run multiple businesses from one account, click on the link in the description below to get 90% off your first 6 months of Xero. This offer is valid at the time of recording, so if you want to save some money, go ahead and check it out. Now let's talk about when you can't do this and you need separate Xero accounts. Xero is designed on a one legal entity, one subscription model. So if your businesses have different legal structures, you need separate Xero accounts. For example, if the two consulting businesses we spoke about earlier were each run under different companies, they would need their own Xero subscriptions. Another reason you may need separate Xero accounts is if you have different tax IDs. That's because you need to file each business's taxes separately. In Australia, that's if you have two ABNs for your two businesses, you need two Xero subscriptions because you need to file separate BAS returns for each business. You can't combine them into one Xero account. Another reason why you may need separate Xero accounts is that it's just better for your business. Having completely separate accounts makes it easier to properly evaluate the profitability of each business by having completely separate financial reports. Having the finances of different businesses mixed into the same cash flow report, balance sheet, and other reports makes it difficult to see what's going right and wrong in each business, which could lead to bad decision making. One of your businesses might be losing a lot of money, but you don't know because you can't run a profit and loss report separate from your other business that makes lots of money. Now, if you do need multiple Xero subscriptions, there's some good news. Xero offers a multi-organization discount if you sign up to additional accounts using the same email address. So make sure you check that out if you need additional subscriptions. And also remember that if you need to sign up to your first Xero subscription, use the link in the description below to get a massive 90% off for the first 6 months. So that's it for this video. I hope it helps, and I'll see you in the next one.